Christmas adventure. Kids find Santa's workshop.
Once upon a snowy winter day, in the charming town of Pineville, two small children named Emily and Jacob, both 8 years old, eagerly awaited the most magical time of the year, Christmas. The town was adorned with sparkling lights and festive decorations, creating a winter wonderland that filled everyone with joy. Emily and Jacob, best friends since kindergarten, were inseparable, especially during the holiday season. They shared the same excitement, believing in the magic that Christmas brought. One chilly afternoon, Emily and Jacob decided to embark on a grand adventure to find Santa's secret workshop. Legend had it that Santa's elves were hidden away in the heart of the enchanted pine forest, crafting toys for children around the world. Determined and armed with their warmest scarves and mittens, the two friends set out on their quest. Through the snowy woods they ventured, leaving behind a trail of giggles and footprints. As they walked deeper into the forest, the trees seemed to whisper tales of Christmas magic. The air was crisp, and the ground beneath their boots crunched with each step. After what felt like hours, they stumbled upon a cozy clearing where they discovered a peculiar sight, a tiny wooden door nestled at the base of a towering pine tree. Excitement twinkled in their eyes as they opened the door, revealing a passage to a world of enchantment. To their astonishment, the door led them straight into Santa's workshop. The sight was breathtaking. Elves bustling about, crafting toys with meticulous care, and colorful presents neatly stacked in towering piles. Santa himself, with a twinkle in his eye, greeted them warmly. "You found us, my dear friends," Santa exclaimed, his hearty laughter filling the air. Overwhelmed with joy, Emily and Jacob helped the elves wrap presents and prepare for the big night. As a token of gratitude, Santa granted them a special wish. Without hesitation, they wished for everlasting friendship and the magic of Christmas to fill their hearts forever. With a twirl of his magical staff, Santa whisked them back to Pineville, where they found themselves in the same snowy clearing. The sun was setting, casting a warm glow over the town. Holding hands, Emily and Jacob realized that the true magic of Christmas wasn't just in Santa's workshop. It was in the love, joy, and friendship they shared. As they made their way back home, the town of Pineville seemed even more enchanting. The stars above sparkled brighter, and the snowflakes danced in the air. With hearts full of happiness, Emily and Jacob embraced the spirit of Christmas, cherishing the magical adventure that forever bonded them in the most wonderful time of the year.